So you've just started seeing someone and you really like them. And now you're wondering, how do I keep them interested? How do you make sure that this isn't another situationship that fizzles out in 2 weeks? Well, don't worry. I've got you covered. I'm Meghna, I'm a psychologist, and today I'm sharing psychology backed secrets to getting someone hooked onto you in the early stages of a relationship. So let's dive in. First up, we have unpredictability. One of the biggest mistakes people make early on is being too predictable. We are wired to be drawn to mystery and excitement. It keeps our brain engaged. So instead of always replying instantly or planning every single date in advance, mix things up a little. Send a fun voice note instead of a text. Surprise them with an unexpected date idea. Or keep an air of intrigue by not revealing everything about yourself too soon. Trust me, a little bit of mystery equals a huge attraction boost. Okay, now hear me out. This is not about playing games, but about creating emotional experiences. Studies show that relationships feel closer when we experience highs and lows together. So instead of doing just coffee dates, try something that boosts adrenaline, such as roller coasters, escape rooms, horror movies, anything that makes their heart race. Why? Because their brain will associate those feelings of excitement with you. You know what's really attractive? Being seen and understood. If you want them hooked, listen to them in a way that no one else does. Ask unique questions, remember little things, and make them feel special. But here's the catch, don't go overboard. You still need to match their energy. If you come on too strong, it can backfire. Keep things balanced. Be interested, but not obsessed. You want them to crave your presence, then make sure they feel your absence too. This doesn't mean ghosting them, it just means giving space. Have your own hobbies, plans, and social life. When they see that you're busy living your best life, they'll want to be a part of it. Plus, it gives them a chance to miss you, which is key for keeping the attraction alive. And the most important thing, be the kind of person they want to be around. Confidence, kindness, and a little bit of playfulness go a long way. Focus on being your best self, and trust me, the right person won't just stick around, they'll be hooked. So, which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.